It's currently 2:20 and I just got tattoos. Good morning guys, it's Mel here. Today is our last day in Ibiza and I just packed everything. We're gonna check out and leave our bags here since we have the flight at 9 p.m. We still have the full day today and I'm really excited. Today we're gonna try to do an excursion again if they have available, and if not then I guess we'll just improvise. And also the weather is so freaking nice. So we just booked a boat tour with the same one that we did the other time. So it's gonna be this one with a very kind of weird like skipper, I don't know how you call it, but they didn't have the other one available, so we're doing this one. And they did like a special price for 35 euros. Currently 2:20 and I just got tattoos. I'm really happy with it. I got this Dare to tattoo and also this flowers. I love it. And now we're by the beach. We're just gonna chill a little bit before like eating lunch. But yeah, I can't really swim, but I'm just gonna go in the water quickly. Currently 5 p.m. and we just finished eating and now we're looking for like little souvenirs. I already bought one magnet, but I'm gonna look if there's like other things. I'm still walking around shops to try to find souvenirs, and I'm having a coconut ice cream and it's so good, so refreshing. It's currently 5:55 and we are back at the hotel. We just got our bag. I think we're gonna stay here for a bit. I'm gonna change and like organize all of my stuff and then we'll take the bus. Look at my tattoos. I'm gonna wash it and like put ointment on. I really like it.
It's RSN.
Hi guys, so today is the next day. I didn't finish this vlog because yesterday I arrived at home at around midnight and then I ate, showered, and I think I went to sleep at around 2 a.m. and to be honest, I'm really tired right now. I slept until 9-10ish in the morning, but then I stayed in bed for quite a bit. So yeah, I wanted to come on here to do a little wrap-up of the day and like about the trip. In general, it was really fun, like the landscapes, the little island, the food. It was so fun. I loved it so much. I don't think I vlogged like a lot because I was feeling a bit self-conscious about like the people around me. There was a lot of people, and also most of the tourists were British people, so obviously they speak English, so I felt really self-conscious that they could hear me and stuff like that. So I don't think I vlogged that much like of me talking and stuff. I hope that I got some nice footage, so you guys can be the judge of that. And yeah, I really loved it. The last day we went on a boat trip to see the south of Ibiza, but then the waves were too strong, so the skipper changed the itinerary and she went like in the north, and that was the tour that we did the first day, so like for the sunset. And so I was kind of gutted we didn't get to see like the south other beaches, but that's fine, I guess. And then we walked around and I got a little magnet. Wait, I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna go and get it. So after this boat tour, we like chilled on the beach and then went like souvenirs shopping, and I got a little magnet. I have it here, and this is the one that I got. I think it's so pretty. I love the color and like the concept of it. And this is like the old town where we went to, so yeah, I think that's really nice and I love it so much. And after that I went and got tattoos. I got 2 and I love it so much. I got this one which says dare to, and then I got this little flower in the back of my arm. This one I wanted to get, like I've been thinking about it for quite some time, and then this one was kind of like on the spot because, you know, you have to dare to. But yeah, I really love it and I'm really happy with how it turned out. And then after that we just went back to the hotel, packed our stuff and went to the airport. The bus was running really slow, so we thought we would like miss the flight, but then we ended up making it like on time, so that was fine. And yeah, that was the trip. I really enjoyed it and I hope you guys enjoyed the vlogs as well. And yeah, I'm gonna leave it here. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. That would mean the world to me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.